we are joined by Rocío Inclán, Senior Director from the NEA Center for Social Justice. Will share some greetings with us. Thank you so much for being here with us.
Awesome. So thank you, Deborah, and thank you, Jesse, and thank you to the Zinn Education Project for hosting all of us tonight. I am inspired by all of us joining together on this call and around the country to make this what I know will be the biggest Teach Truth Day of action yet. We know, all of us on this call know that some decision makers are doing everything in their power to take us backward by using their dog whistle attacks based on what we look like or who we love to keep us distracted and divided so they can hide their failures to give our kids everything they need to thrive. So instead of allowing our schools to cultivate belonging, they're banning books. Instead of encouraging critical thinking, they're censoring curriculum. And instead of funding our kids' futures, they're undermining our public schools. So as the largest labor union in the country, the National Education Association is really honored to join with all of you to make the Teach Truth Day of Action one of the highlights, one that highlights our collective strength, the strength of our communities, our diverse history, and our demands for the freedom to learn and teach truth. So we will show our power by coming together through our celebrations of honest and accurate education, beautiful and diverse books, and our freedoms. So by participating in the Day of Action, Jesse, all of us, we're not only putting our decision makers on notice that we outnumber them, but we are choosing us. We're choosing all of us across races and genders and places, no exceptions. So thank you for joining, and thank you for all the work. Back to you, Jesse.
Oh, Rocío, thank you so much. That's exactly right. I think you nailed why we're here today and what we hope to achieve. And the NEA staff have really been critical to this whole operation and this organizing effort. So thank you, Rocío, and thank you to the NEA for supporting us.